Yo ebusia mechi obia na jandam bi ekoso ewo social media a free MPP camp. Vim lady na sa jandam no wa start edi jandam nini. Na mfuturo a otu Ghana fo ni no. Ye ho se entro bia MPP for court no position. Misinformation bia omode baba abonten no. Ye bama neni ada ho na Ghana fo nyina ehu. Na Ghana fo atiase. Den tina me kasa Nansei mu na am say 3 years ago ana incident BC wo Kolebu Hospital na assembly see ye no na young boy bi 12 years age 12 years owo Sam George no constituency na young boy no oyare ye no na omuhia support na omoda boa akola no ma akola no afa no like akola na nya apomeden na de asiye ni de asiye ne say eye efansan honorable Sam George ofre Okudzeto Ablakwa say oh akola 12 years bi wo mi area na yade bi say na abono na critical nti ehu be nya say obesiki medical attention na baby a ade no akoye wo say Ghana situation no ye wo bibia ye wo nkofo bi ye no mo frɛ ordinary Ghanaians asem toa penny bi woni penny bi a emboa penny ni betumi da ma won ntem no betumi aboa wo ma anyama wo hwɛ no won sa ka no so easy na akoya sɛ akwa no wo Sam George no constituency no one or financial they are not fit until they were crying upon their MP and the MP no assistant MP ni benya no and also ewo your fancy Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa no constituency. So what did he do? Sam George efre Okudzeto Ablakwa. Nti ofre Okudzeto Ablakwa no ka kire Okudzeto Ablakwa say this is the situation in my constituency. There is a young boy about 12 years onya your fancy they support ewo Kolebu. Nti ya de nipa na ebe Kolebu unfortunately Kolebu no na omunya bed. Nti eso omu rusha akwala no to 37 hospital. Akwala no yen nkodu hospital wo na call ba say akwala na ayede efrimu akwala na what I say akwala no kodu hospital na treatment eso onya no nsanka na akwala na efrimu ta akwala na efrimu no ana Sam George say Okudzeto Ablakwa eka say say asem to Ghana ni bi na say go through numerous of MPs before even obenya bed and as obenya treatment then they take it to themselves as disappointment to the state. Inti sa na ebe ye dia tie sa na ebe ye dia mumma yambara na mbande politicians from seeking medical treatment abroad or outside. Nyanse wumini ade a Vim lady ni mini so mo politicians no Vim lady wutie wie na mabo Vim lady ni comment na matie ni na say we ordinary Ghanaian na we yale a when you proper treatment wo Ghana ha you would die when you scan fankwa bridge wo bewu nti Okudzeto no point of view when you selfish and drain on nko anu ho when you selfish and drain politicians nko anu because say the Vim lady kan no kra say omo service of conditions no e wo me say we public official and now we be the board so omo ye government appointees no and I say MPs no so omo yale a service of condition no emromo mo kwan say etumi da o man sika efo mu free Ghana ha e de call country bi omope no mkwaja yelehwe omode which ordinary Ghanaians no you need this benefit it is a ye ordinary Ghanaians no they need this benefit na say omo politicians no enya sa benefit no na say omo ye benefit no omo ntuma ye bibia amfa mboa ordinary Ghanaians na asam to ye ese yewu na ye taxpayers na ese yewu no ye de taxes e de mom no kwakwaja yelehwe de a and de yam bande politicians or moko outside and the public officers or moko outside ekwaji treatment na ye na yewu say ye na yet Ghana na ye na yewu na say obi antumi nkwa abrochi da Ghana baba de baba na say aban bia na ni be kon say obeya yare sabia papa sa de be ya ono so yare a ya fa no nkwa abrochi nti no so yetumi ahwe no ha muntie dia jandam madam efia pokua eka wi a Okudzeto ni interview no mebo na ma kire na wetie Okudzeto ni nsam oka okasa ma ordinary Ghanaians no efie pokua wu ni say politics nti ohun say politics as usual nti yentie efie pokua ni nsam ni na wi yemfa yembisa question na wi a ya fa ba e wo Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa na nsam oka yen no ebusua yentie jandam madam
One say NDC the vice president yare politics and Ebuabo NDC. Especially Honorable Okujeto blah blah. One say Ebuabo no. Someone say Honorable Okujeto blah blah. Some Ebuabo no. Yeah, third world country. What the politics and Bebo wa so no pampa. So this is exactly what is playing out now. Some time ago na ye Ebuado any Oforiata. Na ye Rollins in Crawford because I said when NPP ni NDC na na do ne ablakwa mo time in start. President Rollins sign Rollins. The system Rollins no approach ko hwe no ya kwa no di for ekoso de Paul James. He was going under a different name to hospitals in London. To the extent that President Rollins never has a to medical school. Highland. Busa say na medical school be illegal na. Vice president, approach any de ne kono. Almost show UGMC we no. Na de no kwa approach. Health must not be political because even America cried America for hospitals were Germany. France, sometimes there are some specific medical out to kwa approach. So mo de ye operate kwa approach na. Meeting from Rollins or Quabrocho Coshan, because no one himself for Becanto, your friend is Paul James. This was reported by Daily Guide and Baby Ababa and also Chronicle. Go and read the newspaper clippings, you see it. You need to see a Apomode health. It is no respect of party. Apomode by all the vice president, you won't pay my and
Ebusia yamfa decision free they are okay. Ebusia masra mu pi. Pache o. Se ebire bi etwem na President Rollins na okwa abrochire kwaji treatment. Said the oka say Ghana ye third world country na. Asem we na dent na den na bae. Dia aba na say ye de Professor Nana Jane ekọ no wonfa no dodo na ye de no call UGMC. Almost share no musa no. Na yade ni baby no say you refer no to hospital abroad. Meanwhile no yewra Okujato ablakwa akasetia people nkofo yedo mu free Ghana ekwa abrochire ekwa so na government official yedo omo yare yedo mu free Ghana ekwa abrochire. Ena oma justify on efie pokuya e kire say Rollins mu nyina yeye. Nti Rollins yeye. President Kufuor yeye. Ankata ba yeye. Mama the first time or ye so be is it going to be that as usual? It is a command say ye penny for no omo yare na say yam fa your politics nti so omo kono konya yare sha. What about the ordinary Ghanaian? Me say say yade no bomia anka me ana ebia say yade bo me na yade me koto ewo na say yade me ko abrochira me pocho. How am I going to finance myself? How am I going to afford the financial support and make me da akwa kwanya sa treatment ni wa blochiri. It is somebody Okujato ablakwa mo advocate say sa de we sisi pen but yen hwe say e bi nsibio say de be ya ban ni bebre na some hospitals akase no mani abere no matumi sisi nsibi wa ha say de be ya yare no bo politician na ko bo ordinary Ghanaian na ono nso etumi ya yare sha me pocha we no problem e wo mu pa say efia pokuya ni konwun oyi ni konwun tini atwe da were was atemi we na ne den ebusia yentie no we will continue.
Office holder e wo mremo ka service conditions no into onya boni so akwa broche ko hwe no yare onya boni e kan health conditions no
ampa akwa broche ko hwe no yare boni but ordinary Ghanaians ne when we say NPP for everything is about themselves. Every time it's about themselves and their leaders and finish. They don't care about any other Ghanaian. Samuel Okujato Ablakwa said no. Yeah, what this benefit? Can your conditions of service once I may yale and family kwabro jire nkwasa me yale. Na Ghana ni no kwasa la ya to aba. Ghana ni no the tax e hwa me. Ghana ni no oche tax. Na e bi ahwa me wabro jire no. So no so kwasa situation ni mu a how should you deal with it? It is a better sa Ghana ni nya sa akwanya ne dia. And the mention say Bobby, na ye nyina get sana ni ye bre, na ye ye say the be ye nyina ye ubotonye. So in this no Okujato Ablakwa is thinking about all the Ghanaians and MPP Efia Pokuya Jandam Madam is thinking about few. You know.
Private sector sector, mom, ADC, Newmont. Any of the most of the multinationals, Gapoha, VRA, big companies, almost because your doctors were Ghana, but the equipment in Ghana.
It's equipment in Nana, our Ghana, dear Akano, then they see a buying no coins, a buying your nimbre. Nay, equipment, since I won't say Gapoha, NSS, Ghana National Service, and painful, no yellow as a treatment. But we ordinary Ghanaians, we don't have them because some of the equipment in Ghana, it's in the Ghana, politicians, public officials, they can go outside, which the ordinary Ghanaian taxpayer will pay for it. What if it happened to the ordinary Ghanaian or the taxpayer? How is he going to finance himself through this expensive? Even say, one city from here, they are flying from her to Dubai, from her to UK. Ordinary Ghanaian, how is he going to afford that? And some people are there, some like Okudjato Ablakwa, fighting for the ordinary Ghanaian, and these people are fighting him. Share, Twaso.
Treatment, meaning Ghana. And Ghana so far there, HIPAA rules, laws, privacy laws, just for be area. You put the panel records. The medical records near the Ghana, and you only public officer. Now you see, and kind conditions of service will not to the Bible because I'm no release medical records any power in the area, breaching law, the Nippon. One year begging license. Ghana, young license, crime teachers, cry politics. Yeah, license, man, nurses, a bear, and so Ghana for place for America. License. Now we have people a breach license here.
Ebusua, Jokenina in summary, no. Our problem with Okuja Tabla Kwaka. After me, man, Kasam Quichly. Let's go and listen to this year. And then there's some Okuja to a black one Kasakai. Now we are at one and some so. See, Yenti, you Okuja Tabla, your kind.
Narrating the incident where a 12-year-old boy passed away in his constituency due to lack of beds, Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa lamented the country's broken health system, which he says needs immediate attention. He was speaking during an induction ceremony organized by the Accra Ubuntu Lions Club on Saturday.
I received a frantic call from my colleague in Parliament, the Honorable Sam Nete George, the MP for Ningo Prampram, at about 9:33 p.m. The call was in relation to a constituent of his, an assemblyman, who had reached out to him from the Bator Catholic Hospital, located in my constituency. Honorable Sam George informed me the distress call he received from his constituency related to an urgent need for his constituent son, a 12-year-old, to be transferred to a tertiary facility in Accra. Apparently, since afternoon, the Bator Catholic Hospital staff and workers of the National Ambulance Service were unsuccessful in securing approval from a tertiary facility to bring in the child. Kolebu had no bed, and calls to 37 military hospitals were not being responded to. After more than 5 hours, they reached out to their MP for help, and he in turn called me since the incident was in my jurisdiction, so to speak. I had to then call another medical doctor who is a constituent of mine and works at the 37 military hospital for his urgent assistance. He immediately made arrangements and asked that the child could now be brought into the medical and emergency unit. When I finally called Dr. Tuguba at 10 minutes past 10 p.m. to convey the update from the 37 military hospital, I was hit with a rather terrible news that the 12-year-old had just passed. Back on the phone with the Honorable Sam George, we agreed that we have failed the little boy. The system let him down. Since last night, I have been sleepless, and reflecting. Why do you need to have your MP's phone number before you can find a hospital bed at a tertiary facility?
As part of his recommendations to the government, he asked for a policy that would ban government officials from seeking medical attention abroad.
There is the need to implement a policy of no medical treatment abroad for members of the executive, the legislature, and the judiciary with immediate effect. This appears to me to be the best way to address the numerous challenges in the health sector. This will force us to get things right and do right to avoid the needless death of the 12-year-old, which continues to traumatize me.
Ebusia, sama mate. Nti okuja to abla kwa nasama all kanu. On kama omu politicians no. On kama omu public officials no. Or ka ama ordinary Ghanaian na. Enam akadia wenye nti 12 years boy wahwere no nkwa. That 12 years boy ye nim de nka dacho obeyi na baba ye. But because of omu ye politicians no we failing nti, because of their failure to deliver, the boy is dead. Nti ne kasa nyina ne say sir omampani na be de chire MPs, the ministers, government appointees, head of institutions. So mun ni sa akwenye na ebe yo mun nyina nyia sam say omo bombode say omo ni be ko Ghana health system na omo ahwe na edimu say de ebe ya yade ebe kan biara quickly ubenya treatment na wenya ayarehwe na aboa wo ni bebusia enkoye say ohie ni mobroni na asam yade akobo yade wo mpem yade akobo na ese yade uko UK yade uko Dubai yade uko Germany na se wonye sika wakohwere wo nwa eno na Vim lady so onti ase no ebusia muntie Vim lady muntie bibi muntie
Well, NDC the vice president yare pol
Mfese metuma forward na kakra muntie Vim lady
nurses ebayasem enso gaso for kwa broche control place to America omo control na ansa na waji license na we bibi ba na breach license ya two license dem bibia ya dey useless unnecessary bogus politics ene enti ero ku dey tabla kwasem no kind na ere no and then kofa video aba so wakwa press conference chinchinia then stopping public officials from getting treatment abroad also himself my Ghana third world country bibia na o kolebu University of Medical Center say na anuya enye bibia na University of Ghana Medical Center so everything that will get there because person dey who oni bia no equipment do me dey say area no ye nyina na o and that is also not to say ye catch your telephone say just merely because enye bibia na o they should get away with murder and they shouldn't do the right thing no they can say because Ghana ye sika on minus so ye budget sika ye di nyina na ye tumi do bo man ho bra enti nye na ye sika no so ni nyina
kwasi osam na efia pogu ya keka no yesika nso but ye betumi amampanin na obetena so na science ministry ye no 3 years ago na incident we see ye no na president Akufo-Addo of private jet force Ghana $70,000 per hour na ye to amu no donko amanya national cathedral $58 million when the equipment $58 million make na that agenda 111 no kwa na omkaso omusi ni na omse one full hospital no it cost $60 million. $60 million times 4 saying na ye $58 million ekoto amana na wo catch me say yes can find just ade no nkwasi asam na afia popu ye kan and it's about time for ye na ye tie journalist central for no ye ba me ni ada ho na ye tie nsam mo catch ye yi no sa ban me to me full private jet $17,000 per hour na enye problem na what to be justify say ye ni sika ye betuma aye modern hospital e betuma hwe yade bia wo Ghana ha then you as a journalist no wonnim nyansa as a journalist wonye intelligent wonye smart won dwen nipa ho because won dwen nipa wa nko okudya to abla kono no benefit no kra no e kire say no munyi free so na ye nyina ye ne ordinary Ghanaians na struggle a wo so won ti ase wey a stupid jandam wey misinformation ntebusia eduro baji yarefo a ya trema adwen obi ntumi nkyerɛw the right thing wutietie nsama na wankasa wadwene ho then you make the right decision for yourself madam ashe makram